Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kansai Cycle Sports Center. Kansai Cycle Sports Center is a fun place to enjoy bicycles. It is in Kawachinagano City, which is in the southern part of Osaka. This park is popular with families and people who like to ride bicycles. There are many kinds of bicycles to try. Some bicycles are big and some are funny shapes. There are even bicycles that need 2 or more people to ride. This is a good place to try a bike that you cannot find in your city. One of the best things to do is to ride on the cycling course. It's a long road that goes through the forest. It is not hard, so even small children can ride safely. You can also ride a small train that goes around the park. There is a pool that opens in summer. It's a good place to swim and play when it's hot. There are also camp areas so you can stay overnight. It is fun to sleep in a tent with your friends or family. To go to the park, you can take a train to Kawachinagano Station and then ride a bus. Many people go there on weekends and holidays. It is a good place to enjoy nature and to go experiences with your family. This is a great place for anyone who wants to have fun outside and learn about bicycles. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.